What's happening, pimpin'? Welcome back to Raw Black, and I got another trailer review for you, but I also have a surprise. Check this out. I got my man Vlad with me.
What's up, man?
All right, Suicide Squad. Vlad, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. Let's press play now.
Gentlemen, ladies, what if Superman had decided to fly down, rip off the roof of the White House, grab the president right out of the Oval Office? Who would have stopped him?
They're giving that Superman, that DCU tie-in.
Oh, that's creepy.
I want to build a team of some very bad people who I think can do some good.
Y'all jokers must be crazy.
That is kind of spooky.
Oh my god, yes.
What?
Easy.
This is the deal. You disobey me, you die. Try to escape, you die. You got a boyfriend? You irritate or vex me,
I'm known to be quite vexing. I'm just forewarning you.
you die.
If they get caught, we throw them under the bus.
It's like a crash landing.
What a ride!
Let's play.
Come on, got some better to do?
Light it up!
I love this guy.
Oh my god.
Not good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't forget, we're the bad guys.
Yeah, the hammer.
Sweet talking me. All of that chit chat.
Check the Batman on the car.
What you gonna do? You wanna see something? Yo, y'all wanna see something? Yes, I wanna see something. I was just trying to get you there. You know how it feels,
bad,
right?
man.
We good.
Suicide Squad.
Whiskey.
What am I, 12?
How about you, hot stuff?
Water.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea. Yo, the
Wow.
trailer is dope,
I
son.
was just grading from left to right, man. Just watching this. Wow, this is pretty good. You see, that's what I want. Suicide Squad. I mean, they're villains. It has to obviously have some dark theme and explore some dark elements, but it also has to be fun, you know. And this movie promises to be very entertaining at the same time. You know?
True, it does look fun, but like what I wanted to touch on is the humor. Because you're laughing a lot. We're watching the trailer and we're laughing our asses off.
They have some
and,
good comedic timing.
and the thing is, the DCU is not really known for that humor, so it's
Not
good
yet,
to
yeah.
see that they're bringing that in with the, as you said, yo, it's a dark theme, it's a dark squad.
At the same time, what I'm really excited to see is that, you know, sometimes when they explore the bad guys or the villains, they attempt to try to redeem those characters. And those characters, I guess they made it very clear they're not redeemable. You know what I mean?
They're expendable.
They're expendable, exactly.
True.
And they have to explore that, because if you remember in the original Suicide Squad run, most of those characters don't make it. You know what I mean? Those, again, like, it's not a spoiler. I mean, it's been around for ages. Every Suicide Squad issues usually have another lineup over and over again, because again, they're entrusted with tasks that are so impossible to actually accomplish that they get rewarded if they actually do it. So I'm pretty excited about that. And wow, man, Margot Robbie, baby.
Hey, we talk about it. Talk about
Oh
it.
hell no, man, Margot Robbie, man. And they actually
Talk
give her,
that
they
shit.
give her that hammer as well.
They gave her, they're staying very true to the
Yeah.
comics, and
Yeah.
I really
What do you
like
think
that.
of the Joker though?
The Joker, he seems legit to me. He
I
seems
think-
legit. He is his own twist, but it's a mix of a lot of different Jokers that we've seen before. You know, like the flashy suit and everything. It's a really Jack Nicholson type
Nicholson,
of, you know.
yeah.
But he has that laugh. You know, when I dropped that laugh, everybody in the trailer were like,
That
"Yo,
was pretty creepy.
shit!"
Yeah,
like
that's what
even
creepy,
they
yeah.
were like, "Shit!" That laugh, and that laugh, he's got that unhinged psycho mentality.
But I
down,
think there's something else that I've noticed. Yeah, we have Psycho Joker, but we also have a gangster Joker. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like who's running who's running a gang. You know, we
With a
haven't seen
gang.
that because in the Dark Knight, he's a you know solo anarchist. You know what I mean?
True.
But in this trailer, he seems to be, you know, he has his crew. He's walking around. There's people following him, and then there's there's a lot of shots of him by himself. You know what I mean? Doing lots of psycho shit. You know what I mean? So I think we're actually gonna see the gangster side of Joker because he's the real G in the comics. He's running his crew. He's got henchmen doing his.
He's got his own gang. Like I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
And that's true. That's true.
And Jai Courtney, again, like seeing Jai Courtney in this trailer, it just, I have to admit it. I'm usually not sold on what Jai Courtney does, but he looks very good in this trailer. You know, everyone does. Rick Flag, Slipknot, Katana, like all of them. Yeah,
they all really look really good.
Do you buy Will Smith as a bad guy though? Be honest, so far with what you've seen.
I mean, that's the thing about Will Smith. He's banked his whole career of being Mr. Likable.
Mr.
Right?
Likable, yeah.
So, but there was that one little great moment. And it was like, yo, y'all done fucked up by giving me this gun. So at that moment, I was like, you know what? I might rock with it. But I don't see him as being like a serial killer or like a psycho or anything like that. But I can see that he's a dangerous dude.
In the Suicide Squad run, even in the one Assault on Arkham, he's the only one out of the whole crew who's not insane.
Yeah,
he's a criminal. He kills. I mean, he's there because he's killed a bunch of people, and he
looks like a contract killer.
Yeah, he's a contract killer, but he's not crazy.
Yeah, he's not crazy, exactly.
And I think they're gonna emphasize on that because his character seems very like, even at the point, we know what, like you said, when they give him his gun and he's like, you guys are fucking nuts. You know?
Y'all done goofed. Y'all done goofed. Like, how you gonna give me this gun? Yeah. And so, he did just unloads the whole clip. I love it.
So August.
Let's do it. August, stay tuned. We're gonna have the review as soon as it drops, and we're gonna be there. Once again, hit me with that little pass. You know
I got you.
Media passes. All right. Till next time, Rob Black, and I'm out.
Take care.